How to add college or high school on Facebook. So in order to do that, head over and click on your three lines and then just click on your name. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So scroll down right here and you can see in here your public details. Click on this edit public details and you have this right here. So you just need to scroll down until you can see the details right around here and then head over and click on add. Now in here you have in here this education part. You can head over and add your high school as well as your college. So for example, for now, let's head over and add our college. And then you can actually say if you already graduated to that. So let's, for example, put in here an actual college, like for example, Harvard. So just search in here for Harvard and just select them. Then you can put them if you already graduated, and you can also put in here your start date, like this one. For example, let's choose 2020, click on OK. After that, click on save. And then you should be able to see right here if it's already been saved. As you see right now, it's been saved. And you can head over and then just mark or unmark it if you want and click on save again. And then as you can see right here, it now sees it on your details. So that's how you add college or high school on Facebook. Hope we help.